Hello there, it's me, Lamo Gamer. Hope you're all doing well. Now today's video is an unboxing, review and setup of a brand new Bluetooth speaker I have received. And the reason I say received is because I actually won this Bluetooth speaker as part of a Discord competition from a NFT project that I'm a part of. Now that NFT project is called Tradies, which you may not recognize the name of, but you may recognize the name of the umbrella company that runs this NFT project, which is On The Tools. Now On The Tools, as many people in the construction industry may know, is actually quite well known for their funny videos of construction site banter, and they actually have some really insightful things about construction industry. What they are now trying to do with the Tradies project is to bring tradespeople like myself into the crypto and NFT space. So it's a very good educational tool for people that may not be necessarily technologically minded. It's also a good place to have a bit of banter and a laugh. So just to clarify, this video is not sponsored in any way by Tradies or On The Tools or the speaker manufacturer that I will reveal very shortly. But I do feel like I have to say a big thank you to Tradies and On The Tools for giving me the opportunity to win this speaker, which has allowed me to do this video. So what is the Bluetooth speaker, I hear you ask? Well, it is Sonos Roam SL. Yes, it's a Bluetooth speaker by a company called Sonos or Sonos. I'm not too sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, so we're going to use a mixture of both. Sonos, Sonos, yeah, that'll do it, but it's called the Roam SL. Now, I don't know much about this. All I know is that I won it as part of the Discord competition. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox it, charge it up, pair it up, and play some music on it. So here we go. Okay, so the Sonos Roam SL. First of all, let's have a look at the box. So the box is cardboard. It's got this like ribbon cord thing hanging out the top, which I'm guessing is just for like hanging. On the back, it says, works with Apple AirPlay, made for iPhone, iPad, iPod. The essential portable speaker for listening at home and on the go. Right, okay. And according to the top, we have the black version. That's what I'm guessing, because we have a little circle with a underline underneath the black bit. So let's open it and find out what's inside. So that's why we just pull this. Also, a big shout out to Bez and Bossman from On The Tools and Tradies, the NFT, for sending this to me after I won it. I'm really looking forward to this. So here we go, the unboxing. So it opens up, and there it is. Oh, there we go. So is there anything? Let's first of all see if there's anything left in this lid. No, I just wrecked the box, so there we go. Okay, so now we're on to the speaker. So it looks like it comes in this really nice like felt bag, and on it says Roam SL. So we'll just take that out and we'll open this in a second when we see what else is in the box. So we've got a let's get started guide. So we're gonna, ooh, looks like there's a cable in there as well. So here it says setup, so we'll have a read through that at some point. We also have a, looks like a charging cable for it, but no plug that I can see or feel. So let's have a look. Oh, that's okay. So we have a USB-C, but look at this. It's a right angle USB-C to a standard USB-A, I think it's called. I just call it a USB. Yeah. So that's for charging the speaker, I guess. Okay, a moment of truth. Can we have some celebratory music, please? Oh, I thought it was attached to it. It is just a sticker. And now we're just going to open it up. So this just seems to unravel around it. I don't know if this is a purpose-built case or just packaging. Ooh, it's quite weighty actually. Now I think about it, it's quite. You could definitely do some damage with this. And there we go, everybody. The Sonos Roam SL. I just realised something. Sonos or Sonos is the same that way around as it is that way around. Interesting, just an interesting fact there. So what we've got on this is it looks like 4 little like rubber feet, a button on the back or something here, the USB, what looks like the USB charging port. On the top there's a bit of writing that says the Roam SL, and then on this end we have the plus, minus and the play and pause buttons. It feels plastic. It's got like a rubber feel. It's got like a rubber feel on the ends. But yeah, it looks like quite a nice product. Okay, let's see how we turn this beast on then. So first of all, we've got the setup guide here. the Roam SL setup guide. It looks like we have 2 steps to follow, which is always good fun. Step 1, press the power button. Step 2, download the Sonos app for setup. Even tells us exactly what these buttons do. So like you've got play, pause, next track, previous track, group or swap. Yeah, so it looks like you have to press the button several times to do different things. And so what I need to do first of all is download the Sonos app. So we are now gonna a little bit of screen recording. So there are multiple Sonos apps. So I think we're gonna go for the Sonos app, which looks slightly different to what we were expecting it to look like, because it shows it with a black background. So maybe they've updated the image since the literature has been printed. Who knows? But yeah, we'll just download that now. Okay, so now we have downloaded the app. We're going to press open. It brings us to this page. It says it would like to use Bluetooth. Yes. Sonos would like to find, yeah, allow, all that fun stuff. Stream content from your favorite services. Listen in any or every room. Ooh. Looks like you can like have a big array of different Sonos like equipment. And I don't want to use the terms of use, but yes, I'll accept all that, blah blah blah, because everybody reads that, surely. All right, so we're going to be setting up a new system. Okay, it looks like I have to so it looks like I have to sign up, which is a bit of a poo. Allow auto discovery, so location, allow access. Okay, so I've got to press continue. So we're now here. It doesn't really select your product, join nearby system. Estimated time 5 minutes. Okay, so how do I add a speaker to it? You cannot exit setup right now because I've done it by accident. Okay, add your play. Let's try that. Add your play 1. Continue. I would like notifications, allow. For quick and easy setup, allow microphone access, continue. Alright, getting your play 1 ready. You cannot exit setup right now. This is proving more difficult than I thought. I thought this was going to be a nice straightforward tutorial, guys. Let's hold this power button down and see what happens. Oh, there's a little light on the front there. That's just turned on. Press the power button. There we go. It's just appeared now. It says Sonos Roam SL. I'm guessing is this bad boy. So we press add. Connect your Sonos Roam SL to power with USB-C cable or wireless charger to continue. Okay, so I need to plug it in. So I'm going to grab the cable and we're going to see where this takes us. Oh, if not, you just wait a little while. And it says continue. So yeah, continue we go. Getting Sonos Roam SL ready. So there we've got a little like pulsing green light, I'd say. And we'll play a chime with an audio pin temporarily. Connect your mobile device to it. Ooh. You hear that? That's cool. Now we've got to connect it to our Wi-Fi. Okay, so now we are connecting to our Wi-Fi network. I would have thought you'd be able to use this just as a standard Bluetooth speaker, not Wi-Fi enabled. So at the moment the speaker has just got a solid white light on it. Okay, so I have now just had the notification saying your Sonos Roam SL has been added, but may not appear in the system tab. If so, hold down the power button for 5 seconds and turn your Sonos Roam SL back on to finish setup from the system tab. Okay, there it is. Unused, not registered. It's got 28% battery though. Wow, this makes for really good recording. Unable to connect to Sonos, let's fix it. Okay, let's read this article then. Roam needs to be set up with Sonos app on Wi-Fi before it can connect to your device by Bluetooth. Make sure the Roam is powered on and awake before the following steps below. I've got it, it's appeared now somehow. Roam SL, not registered. Let's finish adding your Roam SL to your system. Continue. We need to know more about the account you want to register to the system. Okay. I'll put my email address in. Press the buttons on the Sonos Roam SL you selected. So it's these two. Okay, so we're now linking it to our account. Don't know what that does, mind. Transfer complete. Your system has now been transferred to your new Sonos account. Okay. There is an update available for your Roam. That must be completed several minutes before you can use it. Okay, that's good, I guess. Now we know what the issue was. Although at the bottom it tells us it's updating now anyway. No, it's currently installing an update, which is fine. Okay, so the speaker just went whom, but I'd stopped recording at the time, but it looks like the speaker's ready to use. We've got no music selected, so does that mean if I open something up on Spotify now, it will play? Thank you very much, Bass Rebels. Let's go. That was not the speaker. And now it's gone offline again. Yeah, it lives again. No music selected. So there's Sonos radio that we can use. Okay, it gets very loud. Yeah, it gets loud. Okay, that works. But why is my Spotify not playing through it? And now it's gone back to this weird thing. Okay, I'm going to try and figure this out myself. Let's see if we can connect to it. And now we're back in again. So, services and voice. Add a service. Spotify. So you have to, it looks like you have to add the services into your Sonos, which is a bit shit. Surely I can do it without having to do this. Let's see if I can connect to it via Bluetooth, shall we? There it is, and it's got a little blue flashy light. Maybe it just needed the firmware update. So we are now connected to the Sonos Roam SL. See what happens if I play Spotify through it now. Apologies if this is really loud. Yeah. To be fair, very good volume. I had to turn that right down because player 3 is asleep. So let's try these buttons then, shall we? So yeah, we've connected to it via Bluetooth. So I'm going to stop screen recording now. I don't like the fact that you've got to connect to it and do a firmware download to do anything with it initially, but we've now got it working, so that's okay. So we're going to press play and see what happens. Press it once is play or pause. So play, pause. Double press is next track. That didn't do it. Okay, yeah, that did it that time. Previous track is triple press. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then we've got the volume up, volume down buttons. Okay, that's cool. So we can turn this off. What I'm now going to do is try and do this using my laptop. Okay, so we were actually able to connect from my laptop to this with no problem. Nice one. Very powerful speaker. Okay. That pauses it as well. Okay, I think we've seen enough. Okay, so let's wrap it up for the Sonos Roam SL Bluetooth speaker. So, first of all, very weighty bit of kit. Feels like you've got a really decent product here. It looks like it can be paired with an array of different speakers from, I believe, Sonos do. But obviously I don't need that. It's a portable Bluetooth speaker for me, so not too fussed about that. It uses a USB-C for charging, which is quite a common thing to find nowadays. So those are the good points. The not so great points. So I had a lot of problems trying to pair to this, and it was mostly down to the fact that it needed a firmware update, and the installation or initial handshake step-by-step guide was not very good at all, to be fair. Like, this two-step process is rubbish. You basically need to figure it out yourself or go on the forums that they've got, luckily, on their website, because obviously other people have had these problems. This power button here on the back isn't very responsive. You don't really get that like click. It doesn't feel like you've pressed a button, but sometimes you get a beep or you get a little light and you think, oh, I've turned it on now. But apart from the initial problems we've had trying to pair to it and upgrade the firmware on it, and having to create an account with Sonos to be able to use this speaker effectively, I think it's a very good product considering all the technical issues we did have initially booting it up and trying to get it to work. Once we've got it assigned to our account and we've got the latest firmware downloaded on it, pairing my laptop to it took 2 minutes, like you would expect with the Bluetooth speaker. So there's just a little bit of complication there, probably because it's quite an intelligent speaker designed for working on like big home theaters as well as being portable. So yeah, that might be an operator error. I'm not too sure. I've never used a Sonos product before, but I'll definitely be using this again because it's such a useful tool. Okay, so thank you very much for hanging out in this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's been a nice quick one for you. It took me a little while to get the speaker to work, but aside from that, it's a great product and I really enjoy using it. I also want to say a massive thank you to Tradies, the On The Tools NFT project, trying to bring people from construction into the virtual market. They ran the competition in which I won this speaker, so really it's all down to them, the fact that I managed to have some more technology to play with, so thank you guys. But yeah, if you did like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I also stream regularly on Twitch, so if you have any questions about this, please feel free to slide into the messenger or the chat and let me know. I also have my own Discord, which you can find in the links below. Come hang out in there, we talk about loads of fun stuff. But in the meantime, you all take care, and I'll see you online. Cheers.